How to fix League of Legends in iPhone not updating. So here's a simple, fast and easy guide to fix this. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is make sure to check your internet connection. League of Legends is a large game, so slow or unstable connection can block updates. You can also turn Wi-Fi on or off or try any another Wi-Fi network. Also try restarting your router or try mobile data if your plan allows. After that, restart the App Store. Sometimes the App Store freezes and stops updates. All you have to do is open the App Store again and simply search for the League of Legends and try updating again. But if this also does not work, then the most easiest way to fix this is go back to the home screen and look for the League of Legends app and simply delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Press and hold it, tap on the remove app, confirm the deletion, and that is it. Your progress will be safe. It is tied to your Riot account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.